On this question can be done in various ways using algebra or other ways. However, I feel this is tailor-made for weighted average method. So in this particular question, we'll learn about questions which deal with only percentages. So wherever you have only percentages, take the total as 100. Second is, we talk of weighted average method. Weighted average method is nothing but it is nothing but it uses the concept that the elements contribute to the final result as per their weight. So let's get back to the question. Here we have 45% of all adults in Sri Lanka approve of the current Prime Minister. So this basically means if the total strength is 100, we are talking of 45 of them approve. Thereafter, they are distributed into 3 categories as per their education. So let's take not graduated from high school as N. So there are 60 of them. We take who have graduated from high school as H, and there are 50 of them. And we take the remaining, which are college graduates, as C, and there are 20 of them. So what are the linear equation which we can make? The first is N plus H plus C is equal to 100. Now let's apply the weighted average method here. So if you have 3 categories, N, H, C, and we have been given the percentages as such as 60, 50, 20. Now understand, weighted average, higher the weight, and it'll try and pull that average towards itself. So if the average is just 45, the distance of N from A is 15, distance of H from A is 5, and distance of C from 45 is 25. So we can say 15 into N plus 5H is equal to 25 into C. Divided by 5, the entire equation to get 3N plus H is equal to 5C. Now, the second equation which we have got is 3N plus H is equal to 5C. Now, we're also given that 25% of all adults have not graduated from high school. So this is nothing but they've given the value of N. So N is equal to 25. So when you solve these 3 equations, you have N is equal to 25. You also get C from this equation as 25. And when you substitute N and C as 25, this particular equation gives you H is equal to 50. So, but this is not end of the question. We are asked fraction of those who approve of the Prime Minister are adults who graduated from high school but not from college. So basically we are asking H who approved upon total who approved. So let's work out the numbers. We have got it N, C and H as 25, 25 and 50. Now we know that 60% of N approve, whereas 20% of C and 50% of H. So the total becomes 25 of 60% is 15, 25 of 20% is 5, 50 of 50% is 25. So this total adds up to 45. Now we are looking for the fraction of H over total, which means 25 upon 45, which when simplified becomes 5 by 9. So this is our answer.